Kamai Jivit and Rango dropped a song in the same day. Hold up. Chat, I reacted to Rango when he did there's a song of Mama that he made. I reacted. He's really good. He's really talented. And Kamai Jivit, I've read some of his old songs. So yeah, let's check it out, man. We're gonna start with Kamai Jivit new song. It's called Vanishing, and then we're gonna go to Rango new song, man. Let's get it.
Mình xâm ram hong châu nơi nhóm tiền hơi ẩn đó đầu tiên ông đua na ram nhóm ẩn smile đây số lạnh mình miền đất tin nín tiền lời ta nhóm cua trả chân như rư tê vai ở prom ly khăn mình sân đông nên đã tuần sau và đang cua xe ray phim nên cả một cái ba bậc cam nâng lệ tơ lơ nên đã hồn nhau vai nâng vô chi vẫn bỏ vai miền đất ram cho sân mình nữ chỉ smile chỉ đen rư trong con là bay để cho cái lư qua chân làng bảy như bộ bên tới đói say sông kiếm tôi được tin nâng đồng này nét đây chỉ là không sông nhảy nét đây chạy tới kề say không bỏ váy để cho tôi có play thơ đôi chia mình bằng ấy pro nét chạy nơi tì bên chọc và cùng với tay và you clay rest in peace dog.
But what is he singing about? And he said rest in peace to Camely. He's talking about like how the things that are going on in this time, how a lot of things are getting destroyed, and how the war is really kind of messing up the future generations. Okay. Who's Camely? Camely? He said rest in peace to Camely. Thanks. Yes.
Fuck the politician. I'm not the contradiction.
Kissing the ass for benefits. What is he talking about? Oh, he said F the politician. They do a lot of things for clout. I mean, a lot of people does a lot of things for clout. I ain't gonna lie. Yes. Facts.
Ở prom ly khăn mình sân đông nên đã tuần sau đang cua xe ray phim nên cả một cào ba bậc cam nâng lệ tơ lơ nên đã hồn nhau người kia nâng vô chi vẫn bỏ phá đồng mê in this rap game mà muscle drug bộ sân cùng mấy nà này bitch I got the plug picture me rolling in my motherfucking Roy tin vô khá bà là na cơ bà nói bà tại.
He said if I don't make it in the music, I'm gonna go sell some, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go sell some shit in the street. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm gonna poison the community a little bit. I'm gonna be the big plug. I'm gonna be in my own Rolls Royce. That is actually happening nowadays, bro. A lot of people, bro, just don't make it in a lot of things, but most of the things that are people doing, especially like nowadays, they do things like poisoning the streets, like do bad things that are bad for the society, for the cloud, you know? Like, it's actually happening in real life, bro. He said this word is for judgment. Only when my mind is better, that's when people respect me. Oh my gosh. Facts.
Okay.
Thanks.
khăn mình sân đông nét đã tuần sau
Okay.
anh buồn sẽ rây phim nét cả một cào bà bậc cảm nâng lệ tơ lơ nét đã hòn nhau
Let's go.
nâng vô chi vẫn bỏ kề miền vậy để chân tộc thả song khăn tiền nông tê nét đại kề rong rương kề khoái khô tại khuôn kề bồn tai miền kề khăn thả khiêm che nâng rương kề thay nôm tộc đã khuôn bụt ni nôm anh tụ sayทำมาบัดหมดคอหันเอาไว้พี่มาเวชเมียนยมตรองมันบ้านจีมวยดำมันจะทานพวกเป็นดอยกาบ้องเปลี่ยนคนชาประเทศปรัชญาก็คะแนนก็แปะก็เนยแต่เคลียนเก็บบ้าน
A life without meaning wisdom is scarce, yet the bell is too hungry. Oh my gosh. Ooh.
แต่เคลียนเก็บบ้านบ่งเรียนอ้อยไอตัวเกียนโดยจีตัวจะกรอเยียนเฮียนคลังเป็ดก็ตระกีจับบำบัดเฮียนตรอสมบัติก็ตระกีจับจงเรือนฮอตจงช่วยสังคมใบตระกีเจ้าถักขบอด
Oh my gosh.
รู้จิตแปลงก็เวียนในเมียงกำนอดปาเรบอดก็บานคอนตราภายในกาก็บานบอตราสันนมอดและเบรนเวียสนาพรหมลิขิตก็บานสัจจา
Facts.
Join the system or go against the system either way you still the victim
Facts.
មានសម្រាប់ហងចូលភ្នែកខ្ញុំទៀនហើយអន្តរធាននឹងដួលអារម្មណ៍ខ្ញុំអត់ស្បើយដែលស្រឡាញ់មិនមាននៅទីនេះទៀនឡើយតែខ្ញុំគួរចាក់ចាញ់ឬទេអត់ព្រមលិខិតមិនសណ្ដងអ្នកដែលទុនខ្សោយណាញ់ពុសេរីភាពអ្នកកើតមកក្រោយបាបកម្មនឹងធ្លាក់ទៅលើអ្នកដែលហុញឲ្យដូចគ្នានឹងយកជីវិតរបស់គេ
Damn. What a devil song. I love the bit how you just kind of like speak about for, you know what I'm saying? For just not himself. He's speaking for everybody. Everybody say Dabru Kamai Jivid, man. Dabru, if you have nothing to comment, just say Dabru Kamai Vid, bro. Let's get it. All right, Kamai Vid, he's actually so back. I ain't gonna lie. Cha Rango. I wonder if Rango is gonna say, I've never reacted to a lot of his songs. I wonder if he's gonna, maybe he's gonna be chill today or maybe he's gonna be stressed out. He always like ready to like strong songs, man. Let's get it. I don't know how to read the title, but we got it. Wait, who's this Rango again? Is it a different Rango or what? Isn't there's a Rango? There's this one Rango where the most loved with the ladies. And then there's this Rango who made a song about mama crying. So which Rango is this? I'm kind of lost now. I don't think I've reacted to this guy, bro. Yo, hold on. Now you mad though. Damn. Hold on. Nah, he fired though. But it's Rango. Yeah, he's actually Cambodian. See, I don't think I've reacted to him, bro. It's definitely the first time, bro. I think there might be some, like maybe 3 Rangos or some. Yeah. Damn, that song is fire. Ooh. Hold on. Okay.
Mango cool like that.
Okay. He really want us to know that he cool as shit. He's because he's saying loy. Now he's like, I gotta say it in English. Wrong with cool like that. Yo, I gotta let you know, shorty. Hold on. Okay. Now.
2K ទូសិចប្រូមិន2008ទេបើគូហើយត្រូវចងចាំកុំឲ្យម៉ែអើយណែឯងខ្មាស់គេប្រូបើប្រូអត់ឆ្ងុយប្រូនឹងខ្លាចប្រូមិនណាច់ទេបើប្រូអត់លុយហើយចង់លុយក៏ពិបាកដែរគ្មាន creative គ្មាន positive មានតែ negative ពេញតែខួរក្បាលការងារមិនព្រមធ្វើមានតែពាក្យភ្លើនៅពេញខួរក្បាលណាហើយជប់ចោលមកសៀតទៀតមក brother រៀប plan ជីវិតថ្មីលើវិថីជា winner គេលយតែគេដែរគូទៅវាទៅតែយើងនេះមិនទាន់សល់អីប្រូយើងត្រូវតែចេះរកផ្លូវ Don't give up don't fuck up ប្រញាប់ទៅពេលលៃលើបើ brother ឲ្យដើរមិនទាន់គេប្រេតែគេជន់ទៅដល់ហើយក្រៅមិនសម្ញៃសិចពេកឯក្រៅចិត្តពេកនៅពពួកតែស្គរបន្ទើស្ដីតាខាងវែកញែកណាត់ជប់ថ្ងៃស្អែកដល់បាសនា3ខកូនអ្នកគុំដើរលេងចៃលុយផឹកស្រាហឺហាកុយកូនទៀវឆានឆ្កែខ្លួនសួយក្បាលដូចក្បាលរយអត់ចេះរលុយគ្មានបាយក្នុងចានបើខ្ញុំ
You can tell, bro, he's tough in real life too. He looks like he's really that guy, bro. He's him. It's him. It's him. Ooh. Hold on, man. Oh, Joey. Nah, he's really tough though. I like this guy, bro. Ooh, I like this guy, bro. Walk, Yo, he actually have a lot of songs, bro. Yeah, I don't think we ever checked this guy, bro. Yeah, we do need to lock in on this. Listen, no. If anybody want us to check more of his songs, let me know. Yeah, we got a lot of songs, like almost like 6 of the songs. We can react to like, I don't know, maybe like 5 of the songs in one video. Let me know, man. Ooh, walk like that, boogie like that, go like that. Hold on, child, man. Listen, so first time. Let me know what should I react to next, and make sure you smash that like button, man. Hit that subscribe and let me know what should I react to next, man. Peace.